Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn this beautiful neck design. Very easy tutorial, even beginners can follow. So first we need this interfacing or bukram or paper pasting for the designing of our neckline. I just fold it this way. The shining side is inside, and now I'm going to mark my neckline. So first here I mark 3 inches. I will write down the centimeter also on the screen. So 3 inches is width and the depth is 4 inches, and then I will make here this rectangle box, and after that I will make here a curve shape to make it a round. So after that I need the margin, that is 0.75 inches, so it's less than 1 inch. So just mark here according to that and make here a curve. So now take from the starting to this way 7.5 inches, 7.5 inches, and then I'm taking here 1 inch for the width, and then just join this line. So now again I need to mark 0.7 for the margin, and now I will cut this inside neckline first, and then I will cut here the outer line this way, and then this inner shape, and then also from here. So that's how we just cut 2 pieces of our this neckline. Now I just take a piece of fabric. My fabric was less, so I just make here some joints, so don't worry about that, it will come inside. So now I just stick it with the iron. The shining side should be on the fabric, so the glue will melt and it will stick. So now again I'm just giving here the margin 1 inch, and then just cut it, and in these corners you need to make here a cut, and then fold it and press it, and then go to the sewing machine and stitch it. And don't worry, it will be a little rough stitches because it will come inside of your neckline, so don't worry about that. And then just press it properly, and pressing is very important for your neat finishing. So now I just mark here the center of my neckline. Then I will take my piece of this dress and will make also the center. You can see here a crease. I just mark with the iron, and now just center it and make sure you pin up it properly. Tailors sometimes just stitch here a straight line, but I just attach the pin. Now stitch with your this bukram or paper pasting. Don't stitch on that, just stitch with a little side of this line, and on each and every corner you need to down your needle and up your lever, and then turn your fabric. That's how you will get a pointed corner shape. So hope this is useful for the beginners. And see, now it's time to cut. Before cutting I just mark here half inches all the way, and then I will cut all the way. And this is on the right side of my dress. Now I'm just giving here some more cuts, so that when I will turn it, it will be more neat. And at this stage again pressing is very important, and if you have steam press, use that, so for the neat results. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And if you are beginner, please check in my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. So here now the inner side of the second part of my neckline, I just cut it by keeping 1 inch here, and now I will stick, and then I just take another piece of fabric, the right side on the right side, and then again press it and now it's time to stitch the inner shape. And after that I will cut it by keeping 1/2 inch fabric, and then just make small cuts and turn this inside out, and make sure you press it properly. So after pressing, we need to mark here first the center of our neckline. This is center, and now I will mark here a line so that you guys can see clearly. And on the both side of this line I need to mark the 1 inch, because here I need total 2 inches. So this is the total 2 inch shape that I just need here, and I will cut here so that I can turn my fabric inside properly. Turn it inside both layers one by one and press it, and then we will stitch it only on this part. So make sure you press it properly, and then we will stitch this. Guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, please just hit a like button, so it will really help me to grow on YouTube channel. Thank you for that. And if any question or anything you want to learn, please let me know in the comment section. So now see, this is now stitched. Now I'm just marking here the way where is my bukram. So I just mark here, or paper pasting, you can feel here, and just mark according to that. Now it's time to attach our this neckline. And if you are a beginner, so I will suggest you that at this point, instead of attaching the pins, take a hand needle and thread and stitch this by hand first. It will really save you time. You may thought that it will take time, but when you stitch by hand first and then go to the machine, the result will be neat and it will take you less time. Otherwise, maybe if you are a beginner, you need to remove again and all these things. So avoid any mistake. To avoid any mistake, it's a good tip to hand stitch at this stage first. Now I'm just going this way, and then same way I just follow the all the shape, and after that again I will go to the pressing and will show you the back side as well. So let me know in the comment if any other style of neckline you want to learn. I will make the tutorial for sure. So see, this is the final look. Now press it properly, and see the back side is also very neat, and you just need to do the hemming on the back side.